my honor. Mohamad, a man whose professional journey reflects a deep commitment to knowledge, compassion, and service to humanity. Born on 23rd January 1969 in Prague, Barca, local government of Plateau State, Dr. Doro is a consummate professional with over 2 decades of cross-sectoral experience that bridges clinical practice, law, management, and humanitarian leadership. A registered pharmacist and healthcare strategist, he has served with distinction in both Nigeria and the United Kingdom, rising to the position of an advanced clinical practitioner and independent prescriber within the United Kingdom National Health Services. His record of excellence in clinical service, delivery, pharmaceutical management, and leadership development stands as a testament to his dedication and competence. He began his career at Bingham University Teaching Hospital in Jos, where his passion for healthcare innovation and community impact first took root. His subsequent service across the Wen and Royce Pharmacy Group, as well as various NHS clinical practices, displayed not only his professional skills, but also his remarkable ability to manage systems, people, and change. Dr. Doro holds a Bachelor of Pharmacy from the University of Jos. He has an LLB from University College of London, an MBA in Information Technology and Business Strategy from the University of Leicester. He also has an MSc in Advanced Clinical Practice from Anglia Ruskin University. He is currently pursuing a doctorate in Business Administration and at the same time an MPhil in Leadership and Management from the Catholic University of Murcia in Spain. His distinguished academic background mirrors his diverse professional insight. A rare combination of scientific. Dr. Doro has earned a strong reputation as a humanitarian and a community leader. Vulnerable groups and advancing community-based development practices, both in the diaspora and in recognition of his leadership and humanitarian services. Dr. Doro has also served in the political platform
Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
The Dr. Mohamad, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a minister of the government of the Federation, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th Schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will write to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as minister of the government of the Federation, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as minister. So help me God.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
They should get another.